show our appreciation to you for all your hard work and dedication. The seniors of 2021 and their parents would like to present you with this plaque. Please step out and receive your plaque. The plaque reads as follows. In recognition for all that you do and have done for all of us over the past years, we would like to present you with this plaque. It is just a small token for you and for your constant support and hard work. We appreciate you very much. Strike up the band, because here come your Pirates. Good backside pursuit on the play by Wagner. She runs down. Big thank you to our cheerleaders as well. Tara Whitfield, Zoe Tavar, Caitlin Rivera. Castro up the field for a couple of yards, and that'll bring up a 4th and long 3, possibly 4. Brought down by number 5. He is retiring. He's a graduate of Lytle High School and been the band director here for 25 years. And what a special place he holds in our heart, in the community, and definitely to all the